Hi, my name is Maggiore with Alessi Bakeries. I'm going to be inserting this humorous cake topper on the top of this unlevel, non-traditional, very whimsical wedding cake. Usually a topper such as this, it might not be quite on center. Usually you might have a groom standing over to the side, or maybe the bride is a little bit off. So you would want to make sure your dowel placement is actually in the center of the biggest part of the topper. You're actually then going to find your center. You don't really want the topper to actually hang over the edge because you don't want the top of the tier to actually slope or start to melt or put too much weight. You want most of the weight to actually be underneath where the larger part of the topper is. So basically we're going to find the center. We're going to make sure that the actual edge of the top of the tier is actually going to be placing on the cake and not be hanging over. You might want to measure a little bit, see if you can go in a little bit more or over a little bit more, wherever it may be, to make sure that this topper is going to be stabilized. And then you're just going to gently push it in. It is going to be sitting at a small angle, just to make it a little bit more humorous, to look like your groom is actually getting ready to either jump off the cake and she's catching him to hold him on, or maybe he slipped and fell into the icing. My name is Maggiore with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida.